In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Checkbox in Smartsheet. We'll start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, you can either begin something new, like a project, program, or process, or open an existing sheet where you want to add a checkbox column. If you're working with an existing item, a quick way to find it is to open all workspaces so you can see everything you have access to in one place. Once you're in all workspaces, you can narrow things down with the filter option, which helps you slice by ownership or type, or simply use the search bar if you already know the name. After you locate the right workspace, click into it, then open the specific sheet you want to update. Inside your sheet, look to the far right of your columns for the plus icon. Click that plus sign to add a new column. A panel opens with choices. You can browse the recommended section for common types or look under planning status. In either place, select checkbox as the column type. This tells Smartsheet that each cell in this column will be a simple true or false choice. Now give your new column a clear name so teammates understand its purpose. For example, something like completed or needs review. If helpful, add a short column description. This is optional, but it's great for clarifying how the checkbox should be used, especially in shared sheets. Next, choose whether to limit the column to checkboxes only. Turning this on enforces consistency so users can't type freeform text in those cells, only check or uncheck. Then pick a checkbox style. You can keep the classic checkbox or switch to a flag or a star. Flags are handy for attention or follow-up, while stars work well for priorities or favorites. Choose the style that best matches the meaning you want to convey in your process. When everything looks good, click Apply to create the column. You'll see it appear instantly on your sheet, ready for use. From here, you can drag the column to a different position if needed, and as you or your team check items off, it becomes easy to scan status at a glance. A few quick tips as you use it. Consistent naming makes filters and reports more intuitive. The optional description can prevent confusion for collaborators. And picking the right style, checkbox, flag, or star, helps communicate intent without extra text. That's all there is to it. You've added a clean, functional checkbox column to your Smartsheet, making tracking and status updates faster and clearer for everyone.